went up the ramp instead of going down the side. And I ended up in the traffic. It's okay, it wasn't that bad. Sorry, it took longer.
Whoa, hang on. My spider sense is telling me I need to test this suit. Okay, it's not. But I want to do some swinging. Hi! Hey down there! Spiderman up here. Like how I'm using my made-up name? Time for some field testing. Hey, could you record it for me? Tag me later? Okay. Here goes something. This is so Spider-Man! This is classic me. Did somebody get that? This is awesome! Yeah! Woo! Now that's how you Spider-Man. Don't forget to tag me on your video. Hashtag Amazing Spider-Man. Okay, I need to test this new web fluid.
Looking good, Spider-Man.
Oh, hey, Sharon.
Shall we conduct an altitude test?
Yeah, I guess I should do some work.
Always good to have the data.
On my way. Just need to find a clear path and something to swing from. Oh yeah, it's go time. Whoa! I can see a castle from here. Head rush, body rush, speed rush. Woo! Do not hold your applause. Yeah, I did that. I did that.
Looking good, Spider-Man.
Well, I have been working out.
I meant the data.
Yeah, I knew that. Hang on! I'm just gonna jump down and meet you. Woo! Here we go. I'll be right down.
Perfect.